Hi guys, this is a diesel heater, and what I did was just add additional features. I included a voltmeter and some electrical that I added so I can use it with extended batteries. These are like Anton Bauer plates, so it's a quick release battery system. You can see a module right there, so I can use a M18 battery just like this, made by Milwaukee or some knockoff stuff. And there's a switch right there, a toggle switch, so I can switch it whether using the M18 battery or car battery. At this point I'm testing how it will work with a single M18 battery. So it's starting up right now. The blower is working. That smoke right there is just like initial, because this is the first time I turned it on, so you're gonna see a lot of smoke. And then once it's going, we'll figure out how long a battery will last. So this is a 9 ampere-hour battery. As you can see, it's it can be controlled with Bluetooth through my phone or the remote control. So a single M18 battery will last at least 3 hours and a half. So if I have two batteries, it will last about 7 hours.